This illustration deals with 277 volts to ground in accordance with NEC 210.6, 1 through 8. The purpose of this change was a revision, and it was made mainly to clarify that there is equipment that could be incorrectly interpreted as being permitted by one clause while also prohibited by another clause. So looking at the first requirement, and let's just look at the grounded neutral conductor to the right of the illustration toward the bottom, and it says grounded neutral conductor, and you know that is in 210.6a refers you to 200.6 to identify that neutral conductor. Now at the top you have the ungrounded phase conductors. That's 310.6c, and if that is a branch circuit, that would be 210.512, but if it was a feeder circuit, it'd be 215.12c, but we're referenced to these sections by 310.6c for the ungrounded conductors. And notice we're dealing with maybe luminaires here, and LED luminaires type lamps are involved with this circuit. And notice coming out of the panel board, it's 277 volts, single phase, 2-wire circuit. The voltage exceeds 120 volts between conductors by note 1. And if we look at the four things that we should review very carefully, then there are 3 items in the NEC 210.6C1 through 8 that permits a certain requirement, while another may prohibit such requirement to be applied. And then if we look at, I'd like to point out that the equipment ground is identified in 210.6b, but 310.6b refers you over to the equipment grounding section to look up at equipment ground, which could be green with one or more yellow stripes, or strip where it appears in the system. And of course that would be 250.119.